Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to grow two different colored roses in a single rose plant using grafting method. For this you require two different rose plants stem. One is the parent stem and which I am holding now, and another one is the stem with buds, and using this method we can graft the buds into the parent. And you can see the little one which I am holding now has two buds, and now I am going to cut the bud from the little stem and graft into the parent's rose cutting or stem which we are using. First of all, you have to take out the cutting using a sharp knife or a sharp blade. Okay, now I am going to cut it. You have to do it really carefully. You have to cut the bud along with a little of the stem of your rose plant. While you are using a sharp blade, you have to do it really careful, and you don't have to cut yourself. So this is a very careful process. Now our bud is ready, and we can place it in the parent rose stem. You can see our bud. Okay, now I am going to draw the exact shape using the sharp blade, and I am going to make some scars for easy cuttings. We have to place it just like this, and using our blade we can draw the shape of our bud on it. After drawing the shape, you can cut it more easily. Okay, now I am going to make the cut through the parent rose stem. You have to do it really patiently. This process requires a little bit of skill also. You have to cut it in the exact shape of our bud. Okay, now our parent stem cutting is almost ready. You can see how made this cutting on our parent stem, and now you have to try to place our bud on this parent stem. You have to make it a fine shape until our bud fit into our parent stem. Few more modifications are required. You have to do it very carefully and also very patiently. Okay, now our parent cutting is almost ready. As you can see here, our bud fits into the gap really well. Okay, now how it's look like. You have to place your bud into the parent rose cutting, and now what I am going to do is I am going to tie up with this stem using polythene cover. You can use normal polythene bags for covering the bud or tying up our bud into the parent stem. You have to tie it except the area of our grafted bud. This is how it look like after tying up with our polythene cover. You have to tie it up except our bud on the rose cutting. Now we can plant this rose cutting into our container. Now I am going to plant this cutting into our container. I am using normal garden soil with dried cow dung powder as our potting mix. You have to gently push your rose cutting into this potting mix. After that, you can water it little bit. You have to water it regularly in the morning and also in the evening. Okay, our cutting is ready. You have to place it where you are getting good in a shaded area. You don't have to place it in a sunlight, the indirect sunlight. Okay, now our planting is almost over. Our new bud will begin to grow up from that area, and our plant will have both colored flowers as I have shown it earlier. You can see here I have grown this rose plant 3 months before. It is having two different colors of roses, as you can see here. It's having the rose one as well as the white one. Okay friends, that's it for today. If you like my video, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.